Okay, we have Ben Brodhead here, who is an acupuncturist in Savannah. What's the name of your practice?
It's 8 Cranes Acupuncture.
So it's 8 Cranes Acupuncture. If you happen to be in Savannah and looking for an acupuncturist, I have met a number of his clients, and they all seem to speak very highly of Ben. That's not the only reason why he's on this video, though. He's come to a couple of workshops while I've been here, and now we've been having a very small little retreat of a few friends with Qigong and doing some different practices. So Ben, what has your experience been with the workshops, also with what we've done? We're partway through partway through our little retreat. What's your experience been? Some things you've particularly enjoyed, anything like that?
Yeah, so it's been a really wonderful, grounded experience in exploring our energy and the different way of working with it. The first day we did a lot of moving and walking Qigong during one of the workshops, which gave us an ability to explore Qi in motion, and also with physical form, and then also with relaxing and just feeling the energy without the movements. The next day we did standing practices and explored the energy of being rooted in one place and working the physical form of squatting and holding poses deeper or more shallowly to really kind of generate and feel Qi. We also focused on the 5 elements around that time with the John Zhuang set, and we've been extending that into this weekend getaway, actually a little bit more than that, where we are out in nature, being directly immersed in the elements and exploring them from both the practices and feeling our energy and expanding and working with the fields. And it's been wonderful. It's been really, really great, solid teaching. John's an incredible teacher. He's really grounded in the energy and physicality, and has great ways of teaching and clarifying a lot of the practices and giving more depth to it. So I felt really honored to be here and be a part of this process of exploring Qigong in many ways. Today we've kind of moved more into landscapes and understanding how the landscapes affect us and how we affect them, and then also going deeper into the 5 elements and understanding food and all sorts of other things related to it. Anyways, it's been an incredible workshop and a great ability just to be here and hang out with everyone and explore this. So.
Cool, thanks,
Yeah.
Ben. If there was one thing, one insight or takeaway, or even just one thing that you really particularly enjoyed a lot from the workshop, what might, or the weekend, or any of the things we've done, what would that be?
I think it was getting more of a sense of my general field of energy, of expanding that and bringing it back in and really feeling the sense of that. And I had more of a tangible sense of working with the Dantians than I've experienced. A lot of unique movements and sensations that I hadn't really felt before. And yeah, I think it's just it's hard to pin it down to one thing. It's the whole experience of everything that we've had.
Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you very much, Ben.
Yeah, for sure. Absolutely. Thank you.